What are you making, Elise?
Pizza!
For when?
Pizza. Tonight.
This is for dinner?
This is for dinner.
What's going to go on the pizza?
Mama.
Mama?
We've got some smoked chicken.
Smoked chicken.
And
It's going to be double
we
smoked
haven't
chicken.
quite figured out what's going to go on it.
And a bunch of other stuff.
Yeah.
Artichoke hearts,
Oh, okay.
bell pepper,
You going to put cheese on it?
extra cheese.
Alright, I'm done stalling.
Free.
Done several stalling tactics. I'm running out of things to stall. I have to get to work here. It's cold today. It's 50 degrees outside. Looks like it's going to rain in a little while. And this time of year, it's usually colder in the garage because the sun never hits this part of the house. I came out here once and went inside to eat lunch. And then my wife made popcorn, so I watched YouTube videos and ate popcorn, and I read a little bit, and now it's time. My wife did get me this heater, so I can run it out here, but this garage is not insulated. Kind of does no good, really, to run a heater out here, except to get some very localized heat. Right now my solar system on the roof is producing less than 1 kilowatt, 780 watts, and I'm sure this heater uses more than that. We'll see how long it takes my compressor to turn on in the cold of winter. This is real time. We're not slowing it down, we're not speeding it up. I guess I could talk about the book I'm reading. The Boys in the Boat. I've actually seen the movie. I highly recommend it. It's a great movie. I'm reading the book after the movie. Normally you read the book first, right? And then watch the movie and be disappointed. But it was a great movie and I've never seen the book. I don't know. Come on, compressor. I'm not much of a talker. I'm maybe 50 or 70 pages into the book. Come on. Come on. A watched pot never boils, right? Okay. Let's see. While that's going on, more exciting things to do. So I'm starting the compressor so I can hook. I can't do that with that hand. What else can we do? This has to move. And this has to move. And the compressor is still not on. Trying to make Ken's garage most boring video yet. Move this over here. Maybe the compressor's gonna turn on at all. I know if I shut off the video, that compressor will turn on, right? Alright. Still not on. I gotta stop this torture. It just turned on. How about that? Let me show you why I'm braving this severe cold weather. Julian called me yesterday and said he was expecting a delivery real soon, and look what arrived at his house. I'm waiting to lose one of these. I haven't so far. And the big question, did we machine enough off to get this to slide in there? That's still a tight fit. Alright, let me get it lined up. That wasn't too bad. No way. Should go through. Got it. Seems to work. Got a few more bits here to put on. And another super tight fit. Alright, I just gotta get it aligned up. Got it. We have some very tight tolerances on this machine. Got that one in. And that one's coming back off. I need to bolt the shock to the linkage first. Got it. All right, progress. Had to get creative with my rigging here to get that swing arm held up because we got nothing holding the shock up here. I don't know what I'm going to do after I get the wheel on there. Figure out something to keep that swing arm supported so it doesn't flop around too much. No drama. Here's the moment you've been waiting for, the comedy portion, which I don't think is going to blow up on me. I jammed a 2x4 in here. There we go. I think I got my swing arm stabilized. I hope so. Just took it through a test drive. Seems to work just fine. Needs a little tuning.